China is making moves to get off of oil. And that's one of the things that I think is major that people don't seem to understand. They're literally leading the way to get a new renewable energy to do that faster than we have. And we're regressing and doing the opposite.
The supply of diamonds has nothing to do with the price of diamonds.
Hmm.
The availability of oil is more important than the fact that they need it.
Hmm.
Because the availability of oil, do you understand what a petrodollar is?
I think so. I think break it down.
So
Break it down
a,
for me and the listeners.
a petrodollar is literally what our economy is built on.
Yes.
These oil producing countries that we are on good terms with have agreed with America to trade in American dollars, and their money is the money that they receive from the United States is in the form of US bonds, right? They also invest that back into the stock market. So they're literally pumping this money in the stock market. If no one believes me, Trump's crypto coin, which might not be on the stock market, but it is the same principle, is more than 50% owned by Saudi Arabia, is it? One of these
Hmm.
Middle Eastern countries.
They invested heavily.
And that they invest heavily in our stock market. If they
Hmm.
pull that investment from our stock market, not only does oil go up in price, but as oil rises in price, our stock market crashes because
Hmm.
they're so heavily invested in it. Our economy is literally propped up by petrodollars.
Yes. Yes. So one of the things I think that we could mention too is that just last week, I believe this was March 10th, BlackRock just told investors they can't have their money back and the entire private credit industry is shaking. So
Mhm.
basically, what happened is investors came back to these private investment funds and were like, look, we want our money because we don't see things going that well here. And BlackRock said, no, you can't have all your money back. Now,
Bank run.
I don't know about you,
That's a bank
but
run.
if wealthy people are saying, we want our money back, yo, yo, yo,
So
like,
hold on. Wealthy people in that moment just found out that they're not even better than us because
yeah.
their bank told them no. What you just described is what we would, me and you being, customers of banks would call a bank run.
Mhm.
Shit, the banks are going under. Let me get my money out. Everyone goes and they're like, wait a second, we can't give y'all all that money,
Yeah,
right?
it don't
That's
work like
exactly
that.
what happened to these stockholders.
Mhm.
And now their money's being held hostage because without that money, it's a Ponzi scheme.